today? I hope you are doing wonderful, fabulous, and so very blessed. So today I am here to do another nail design video with you guys, and we are going to do, I'm calling it like a spring preview because honey, I am ready for spring. So yes, let's get started. So now today we are going to be using, let me move this out the way, this color here from Nails.Inc. London, and this is called House Hunting in Holland Park. Yes, never used this before. So plates we're going to use today are Maniology M397, nice like swirl and floral French tip. And then we're also going to be using Maniology M357 swirl design. And for the stamping polish, we are doing beautiful white called Bam White B170. Yes. Okay. And this is the little nail stand that I got when I was doing my nail haul. This is the other one. The one I did before in the first nail stamping video was the pink rose quartz. And this is the other one I got. Very cute. So I'm going to paint one nail with you guys, and then I'm going to do the other ones off camera. Okay. This is really pretty. It's like a lilac purple. Very nice. This is just a regular polish. This is not a gel polish because I have not started doing gel polishes. I have not started doing gel polishes yet. Haven't gotten into those just yet. So these are just your typical regular polishes. But these are cruelty free. I got this one from Sally's. So this is one coat. Very beautiful. I'm going to let that dry and come back and do the second coat with you guys. Okay, let's do the second coat now. This is supposed to be a 45-second speedy gloss. So it's supposed to dry less than a minute. Yes, so this is the second coat. Very pretty. Okay, so now I am going to do the other ones off camera, and I will be back. Okay guys, so these are the finished painted nails, and they are looking very beautiful. Love this color. So now let's get started with my favorite part, the nail stamping. Okay, so the first design we are going to do, let's move this out the way. First design we are going to do is this one right here. I'm going to do this one for the big nail, and then for the rest of them I'm going to do this one. It's the same thing, it's just one is bigger than the other one. Okay. I wouldn't mind a little more coverage on the tip, but I'm gonna leave it as it is. I don't want to do too much to it and end up messing it up, so I'm gonna leave it like that. The next one I should be able to do the smaller one. Should be able to work. But then again, I thought that big one was going to cover that whole nail. That is a really big nail. Yes. Cute. And yes, I'm still using my clothespin. Okay, I'm gonna do the small one again. Okay, so this is the first part of our design. I'm liking it so far. Love what I see. So now we're going to add the second part that I want to do. Okay? All right, here we go. Okay, so we are going to do this design here. Yes, give it a little extra something something to it. Okay, so I am going to now go and put the top coats on there. Always do two. The move this out the way. Smudge free top coat, Maniology B382, and the speed dry top coat, Maniology B380. So I'm gonna go do that, and I will be right back to show you the finished designs, okay? Okay guys, so this is the final design. I do love the way it came out. Now I will say, you know, I'm gonna always keep it real with y'all. I love the color of the polish, but I don't love this polish. I have two other polishes from this brand, but they are not the 45-second Speedy Gloss. This is the only one I have from this company that is the 45-second Speedy Gloss. And I don't know, but I'm not feeling it. It's like, once I started putting the top coat on, which I know by that point the polish should have been dry, it was like bubbling up and like streaking, and it was a mess. And it's not the top coat, because I use that all the time. That's not the problem. It's definitely this polish. This is not for me. I wouldn't recommend this. And honestly, before I bought it, I got it off of Sally's website, and when I looked at it, Sally's Beauty Supply, when I looked at it, the reviews were not very great. They were kind of mixed, but I'm always the type that likes to, you know, try things for myself and see. But yeah, they were right. This one is not good. But the color is gorgeous, but the quality of this is not very good. But other than that, I love the way the design came out, and it's simple but a little extra with the, you know, with the little swirl design on the center. But I do love it. I love the way it came out. So thank you so much for coming here to design with me today, and this was fun, even though the polish wasn't my favorite. But this was fun. I enjoyed this, and I do like these nails, and it's giving me a spring vibe. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you so much. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And I thank you again. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video, darlings. Bye.